Yeah, guys, this is my YouTube channel, Ethan Brown, and this I found. Baby bird. Kinda cool. Yeah, guys, this is the bird. Oop, oop, oop. There he goes, there he goes. There he goes. Yep, and there he's off. He's off on an adventure to the magical Wizard of Oz. He's off on an adventure to the magical Wizard of Oz. He's off on it. Not really, not. Isn't that cute? I just like a dead bird. No, don't go in the dog world. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, farther. Little bird. He's a little bird. He might be out of breath or something. But, yeah. You guys might leave bad comments. You shouldn't go near birds or something. But I wanted to show my mom and take pictures so that it would be good. So, yeah. I'm a poor bird. Poor bird. You okay, little bird? Yeah, guys, this is my YouTube. So, yeah. I had another video on where I got hurt, and my first one. And this is my third one. So, I found a bird. Yeah. I had a lot of birds. But they weren't my pets. Yeah, I had a woodpecker, a quail, but I was shot already. The woodpecker I caught when I was about 4. Yeah. I wish I could show it to you guys, but yeah. But this thing is a little cool. I'm not gonna touch it. Oh. Wait. Yeah. Here's a bird. Okay, guys. See you. Bye.